Hi guys, welcome back. Debbie here. So today we're going to have a play with some stencils that I've made. I made this one and this one, you can't really see, and this one. Today we're going to use this one, and I'm using my Crafter's Companion stamping platform today. One, it's magnetic, and two, it gives me more space to put things off the edges. Right, so I've got out Morning Mist, and all we're going to do is load up our brush, and we're just going to very gently, so you don't move the stencil because it is a bit dainty. I'm just gonna stencil in our trees. And normally I'd cover these edges up, but because I'm using a little brush, I don't need to, because I don't want the black ink over that side. You'll see why when we get to it. Right, I'm going to get on with this. I'll speed you up a little bit because you don't need to see what you know how to stencil. You don't need to watch me doing that. I will come back when we're done. Perfect. So there's that bit. Okay. Right, next what I want to do is get my inny bits of my trees. Okay. Like so. I'm just gonna put that over there. And that over there. Then I'm going to come in with my Lavinia Acetate Hill masks. Let's have a look. What should we use today? Stick with that one. Now, what I want to do is put hills, but only between the two trees. Okay. You'll see why. Once we get to it, you'll see why. So, let's grab our Nocturne. No, sorry. Morning Mist and a little brush. And all we're going to do is just gently go along your hill mask. Just to give us some definition. Okay. And same again at the bottom. Just hold it in place. And just run it along. Okay, that's that bit. So that can go away. Now, going to keep them in place for the time being. And I've got out a couple of trees from Lavinia. These are fir tree 1, which is the bigger one, and snowy fir tree small, which is this one. Okay. Now what we need to do, I'll just put that mask away. No, I haven't. Right, I need to get out the mask again and line it up where we had it, but just drop it down slightly. Sorry about my head. Just drop it down slightly, and then we will line our tree up. Let's just move that over a bit. Okay, let's grab them. Now we're going to use Nocturne, specifying Nocturne. A good stamp up. I'll make sure everything's in place where you want it. Sorry about the cuckoo clock. And then we're just going to stamp. Just give it a press and a second to do its thing, because you've got quite a few stencils going on. Right, let's see. Right, so that one's done, the little one's done. It's just the big one that's not completely taken. So let's give it a bit more of a push down, and we're still not taking it. Right, let's remove you. We just need the bottom of this big one. Okay, now let's try again. Okay, perfect. Right, now we need to remove that. There you go, so you've got your trees coming behind. I've got out whimsical hairs or Pippin, so I'm thinking this one. I use Pippin quite a lot, so try this one instead. Just looking up between the trees, and we'll grab our platform again and Nocturne. Let's give it a sec. I'm just going to do them once more. It's taken pretty well, but because it's new, I just want him nice and crisp. Beautiful. Right, just put it back over there and we'll clean that in a minute. Right, now what I want to do next, leave those in place. I want something that's going to cover centre there. And just got a piece of copy paper, and we need it to go from there to you'll see why in a second what I'm doing. Not gone mad yet. Right. So just take off. So all we've done is covered the scene in the middle. Now I've got out Lavinia background script die. To give that a wipe, there's nothing that's going to stick. It's got something on the back of it. Okay. Now, what I want to do is put the script over the card, but only the outside. So let's pick it up. Magnets included. Right, I'm going to stamp this in Morning Mist. I don't want it too dark. Okay. Now it might not all take because of your magnets and everything else you've got there, but that's fine. What I'm going to do is do it by hand. It doesn't need to be readable anyway, because that's not the idea. Make sure we're not going where I don't want it. Perfect. This side might go a bit skew with. Oh, that's all right. Okay, and then just the last little bit down this bottom. Cover his bum up. And like so. Sorry if I've missed any of that, guys. My camera decided it wasn't going to work. Okay, so that's what we've got so far. Okay, now next what I want to do, I'm just keeping my eye on my camera, it keeps telling me the temperature's too hot for some reason. I'm going to come in with my quickie glue pen, and we're going to come in just on some of the branches. Scrap of paper, ice fine cut glitter or whatever sparkly glitter you've got on hand, and we're just gonna sparkle it up. Okay, there's your scene. Right, so I've now got out these sentiments that I've already pre-made, but I think with the hair looking up, I think they believe at the top in the red would look pretty nice. A little bit of foam tape.